Yung taong kaunti lang ang kaibigan, mag-iingat ka dyan. Alam mo yung naririnig mo minsan, mag-iingat ka dyan. Kaunti lang ang kaibigan yan. Pero what if I told you, hindi dahil walang gustong makipagkaibigan sa kanila, kundi dahil sila mismo ang pumipili. Kung sino lang ang dapat pumasok sa buhay nila. May mga taong tahimik lang. Pero hindi ibig sabihin mahina sila. Hindi ibig sabihin lonely sila. Walang nagmamahal sa kanila, madalas sila pa yung mas wise. Yung mas mautak, yung mas matalino. Yung tipong tinitimbang muna nila kung sino ka. Kung ano values mo, kung ano ang intention mo. Bago ka nila ay welcome sa mundo nila. Kasi once na pumasok ka sa circle nila, hindi ka lang basta friend, you become someone they protect. Someone they honor, someone they value. At yun yung dahilan kung bakit selective sila. Not because they're cold, but because their peace is priceless. Their energy is limited and their trust hard-earned. Yeah, at eto pa, these types of people don't need a big audience or crowd to survive. Hindi nila kailangan ng barkada na 10, 20 o buong barangay. They're strong enough to have 2 to 3 real friends. Nalalaban sa buhay kasama nila sila yung totoong malakas. Kaya yung taong konti lang ang kaibigan, they understand something most people don't, that not everyone deserves access to your heart. This is not a sign of weakness. This is not a sign na mahirap silang pakisamahan. This is a sign of strength, a sign of intelligence, a sign of power. The world praises having a big crowd, pero sila, they are wise enough to choose quality over quantity. Loyalty over popularity, peace over chaos. So the next time na makakita ka ng taong konti lang kaibigan, don't underestimate them. Most of the time, sila pa yung may pinaka-solid na character, pinaka-loyal na puso. At pinakamatibay na boundaries, and ang boundaries na yan ang tunay na power ng isang taong kilala ang sarili nila.